Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some of the stocks on the move today. I'm Paul Sweeney, and we're joined by Bloomberg's Isabel Lee. Isabel, what are you looking at?
Let's start with Coinbase, ticker COIN. Shares are up around 0.6% after Bank of America raised the stock to buy from neutral. So the bank said that it's optimistic on the growth prospects of Coinbase, especially when it comes to new products and lower valuation. So they see opportunities with Coinbase's tokenization product and see the company as a partner for TradFi firms. TradFi is traditional finance. So tokenization. What is tokenization? Basically, think of it as when you convert assets like stocks, bonds, private loans into blockchain-based tokens. And you can have it in fractional ownership and all of that. And a lot of Wall Street banks are actually pushing into tokenization. It's the new big thing. Coinbase is piling into it, the likes of Franklin Templeton, Janus. So everyone is piling into it. But the stock is up now 0.6%. Investors are cheering that probably.
Very good. All right. How about Nike?
Nike shares are higher by nearly 2%, and this comes even after Needham downgraded the footwear maker to hold. Needham said that a turnaround is longer than expected, and Nike's aggressive sell-in to the North American channel is a strategic misstep. So we know that Nike has been really struggling, especially in the past year with challenges in China and the Converse brand appearing to struggle. But I don't know why shares are up by 2%.
Well, as I understand it, they need to get their inventories down. They got inventories built up.
There is that, yes.
So they've been, and Poonam Goyal said, and we'll talk to Poonam in a few moments, she said they're doing really well in the U.S. on that front, but need more work to do in China, I guess. That
is fair. And then Nike still has 27 buys, 13 holds, 2 sells. So overall, investors are still optimistic.
Soho House. What is Soho House? I feel like it's a New York thing, but I don't know.
It's actually a global thing because when my husband was based in Hong Kong, he was already talking about this. This is a members only club, typically for creatives. Exactly. I'm not cool enough to be part of this club too, but it's not having a good day. Shares are down by more than 15%. They're facing a funding gap tied to the company's pending sale. So MCR Hospitality and QP said it can't fund the $200 million equity commitment in full by the closing date. So Soho House committee is looking for alternative sources. So a group of investors, for context, led by several boutique New York hotels, agreed to take Soho House private in a $2.7 billion deal. And Soho House has been struggling since its IPO. I'm not sure why. I'm sure there are underlying reasons, but it feels like the in thing these days in New York is joining a club because you can't get restaurant reservations anymore, especially the ones Taylor Swift goes to. So now clubs are the thing. I am not a member of any club. But
okay, full disclosure.
Full disclosure. Maybe, Paul, we can visit one day.
Yeah, I don't know. We'll see.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.